Lesson 7, simplifying and comparing expressions with symbols of inclusion. Mathematical expressions, what are they? They are made up of numbers, variables, operations, and symbols of inclusion. And symbols of inclusion just means braces, brackets, parentheses, absolute value. Those are all examples of symbols of inclusion. When solving, you got to remember to following. Always work from the inside out. So you got to break down the parentheses or the brackets or the braces or the absolute value first, and then you follow the order of operations. All the brackets, the braces, those are the first things you need to do because that's the P in PEMDAS, parentheses. Let's look at an example. Here we have some expressions. 9 minus the absolute value of 4 minus 6. I need to do the problem inside the absolute value first. So 4 minus 6 is a negative 2. The absolute value of a negative 2 is a positive 2. 9 minus 2 would give you 7. So that would be our answer. One below it, 5 times 2 plus 3 plus 6 minus 8. So I do parentheses and braces first. So I can start from the inside. So 6 minus 8 is negative 2. 3 plus a negative 2 is really 3 minus 2, which is 1. And I bring the plus sign down, the 2 down, multiplication, the 5. Follow order of operations, multiply before addition. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 1 is 11. And the third example on this page, 3 plus 5 plus brackets, parentheses, 9 minus 3 squared minus 6. So I need to do parentheses first. 9 minus 3 is 6. Then I square it, which gives me 36 minus 6 gives me my 30. So that's what's in my bracket, 30. So now I bring down my plus sign, bring down the 5, bring down the plus sign, bring down the 3. And since I just have addition left, I just need to add from left to right. So 3 plus 5 is 8, 8 plus 30 is 38. This would be my answer. A couple other examples here. We have in braces, 5 times 4 plus 2 squared, end brace, plus 4 times 5 divided by 2. Start with symbols of inclusion first, so inside out, so 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 squared is 36. And then I have to multiply that by 5. So 5 times 36 would give you 180. Right now I have 180 plus 4 times 5 is 20. 20 divided by 2 is 10. And that gives you an answer of 190. That would be our answer. And then the last example on this page, we got 12 plus braces 5 times 7 minus 5 cubed minus 14. So inside out, 7 minus 5 is 2. 2 cubed is 8. 8 times 5 is 40. Minus 14 will give you 26. That's on the outside of the brackets. Bring down the plus sign. Bring down the 12. 12 plus 26 equals 38 on this side. Other side, inside out. 9 minus 5 is 4. 4 squared is 8. Plus 7 gives me my 15. On the outside, minus 3 squared is 9. 15 minus 9 is 6. 38 is greater than 6. So there's my solution. And an application. Beatrice wants to buy 3 DVDs marked $7 each and 4 CDs marked $12 each. Everything in the store is on sale for half off the market price. Beatrice has $31.50 to spend and a coupon good for $1 off each CD. Use the expression to the right to determine if Beatrice has enough money to buy all the items she wants. So the total cost is $31.50. Or she's got $31.50. How much is the total that she's buying? We need to simplify the bracket first. 3 times 7 is 21. 21 divided by 2 is 11.5. Or 10.5, I mean. 10.5 plus 4 times 12 is 48. 48 divided by 2 is 24. Minus 4 times 1 is 4. Add from left to right, so we have $10.50 plus $24 gives you a total of $34.50. Minus $4, you have $30.50, and she has $31.50 to spend. So if I subtract how much she has with how much she's spending on, she has a total amount of $1 left over. So does she have enough? Yes, she has enough money. And the last example. The body mass index, BMI, is the relation of weight to height. The expression W divided by H squared times 703, where W is weight in pounds and H is height in inches, is used to calculate BMI. Explain the steps that are necessary to simplify this expression. So the very first thing we need to do is square the H. Second step, W divided by the new denominator. So whatever H squared is, that's what you're dividing. So W divided by whatever H squared is. Third step, multiply the quotient by 703. That's the steps you would take to solve this problem.